jasmine. We got cucumbers growing on the fence. That's our black walnut tree. It's got some walnuts cooking on it. This is our black raspberry. Got berries on it. That's our mulberry tree, but it's finished. Already had its mulberries. The sunflowers. On the other side, behind our fence, is our sunflower patch. Pretty soon this will all be sunflowers. And the wildflower patch. I like seeing it keeps changing. The flowers that are in it keep changing as the summer goes on. We got our garden. Been getting a lot of squash, some okra, cantaloupe and watermelon are growing. We don't have any yet. Corn. It's just pretty much for decorations in October. Our potatoes are about done. Got our potatoes off of there. Tomato and jalapeno in there. And this is peppermint, different kinds of mint. Oh yeah, there's dill in there too. We got 2 real red tomatoes off today and had them for lunch. The lettuces are done. I'm just letting them bolt. Maybe get some seeds. Then we got our oranges. Oh, another tomato and dill and pepper and all that. And our oranges. There's an orange. There's a couple oranges. This is my lemon tree. Having a little trouble keeping lemons on it. Evidently, animals love them. That'll be a lemon soon. Sid put up a wash line for me to dry clothes. He gave me that for my birthday. I asked for it. There'll be some clothes on it later. Raspberry bushes are finally starting to grow. And then over here we got green beans, peppers, pumpkins. Got some flowers on our pumpkins. Our bees.